Hi, everybody. This is just a short video I wanted to post in response to a couple emails I've gotten. Two issues that people have been asking about. First, if you received, if I sent you a copy of the syllabus last week, that was, a rough draft, almost complete draft. So the official syllabus and list of assignments and everything is on the Canvas site. I added this Flipgrid assignment, which I'll talk about in a second, because that's the second question at the beginning. The Flipgrid assignment I added to the syllabus and the assignments is just a way for us to touch base in a more social way, to share, see and hear each other. They're meant to be very informal weekly activities where you just share your thoughts via video, so that we can create that learning community in this online course. So really, it's meant to be a stress-free kind of activity, right? If you share a video, you get the mark for the week. So even though it seems like an added assignment, it's really meant to, take some of the pressure off the other assignments and be a way for us to socialize a little bit. So that's the first thing about the syllabus. Second thing is Flipgrid itself. So let's see if I come to, let me pull this course over here. If you're in this course, I mean, it's the same for both courses that I'm teaching, so it's fine. If you come down to week 1, you'll find the Flipgrid. If you open that assignment in modules, and I know your Canvas might look different than mine. It looks different on different devices and different browsers, so I can't tell you exactly how it's going to look, but it's going to look something like this. It's got the instructions, post a short video. There's instructions on how to use Flipgrid. You should not have to install an app on your phone or anything. You should be able to just scroll down here. Scroll down, you'll see my video. I can see 9 people have seen it. And then you should be able to post your own. There should be a plus sign here as well. I'm not seeing it because I've already posted a video, so I don't see the plus sign, but there should be a plus sign here in this separate scrollable screen, right? There should be a plus sign, and you just press on that plus sign, and then you can record your video using your phone or your laptop or whatnot. And you should not have to install the app. You just have to look for that plus sign, press on that, and then record your video. And then when you open up, say, my video, this is your professor. You can, let me just pause that. You can reply to people's videos. That's part of the assignment too, right? So you can reply to a video with this little dialogue green button you'll see at the bottom of each video that's available. Okay, so it should be, you should be able to get this without downloading an app. I have all this stuff here just in case you want to put the app on your phone, but you shouldn't have to, I don't think. I've embedded it in the assignment. So you can please do let me know if you run into a problem, and we can get on that right away. Okay, thank you very much.